United States military members are stationed all over the world. Their family members often accompany them and reside on military installations. Do Bill of Rights protections apply to civilian family members if they're prosecuted for committing crimes on an American base in a foreign country? The United States Supreme Court addressed this issue and a related issue about the effect of an international agreement allowing for military prosecutions of such civilian family members in Reid v. Covert. Military police believed that Clarice Covert and Dorothy Smith, both United States citizens, had murdered their husbands, members of the United States military stationed abroad. Covert's husband was stationed in England, and Smith's husband was stationed in Japan. The women were arrested, and each was tried for capital murder before a United States military tribunal. Covert's prosecution occurred in England, and Smith's occurred in Japan. The United States had entered into international agreements with the countries permitting military tribunals to exercise exclusive jurisdiction over crimes committed there by American service members or their family members. The women were convicted and sentenced to life imprisonment. Each filed a habeas corpus petition challenging the lawfulness of her military prosecution abroad. A federal district court in the District of Columbia granted Covert's petition, but a federal district court in West Virginia, where Smith was being incarcerated, denied her petition. Smith appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit. On behalf of the United States, Curtis Reid, the warden who had custody of Covert, appealed to the United States Supreme Court. In Smith's case, her warden, Nina Kinsella, on behalf of the United States, successfully petitioned the Supreme Court to review Smith's case before judgment in the Fourth Circuit. After originally ruling against Covert and Smith, the court granted rehearing.